Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to watch TikTok full screen. If you want to watch the TikTok with icons at the right and true bar at the bottom, follow these steps. Take a minute to navigate for selecting video you want to watch. Click on the share slash arrow icon towards the bottom right and select save video. Once the video finishes saving, go to your camera gallery. You should see your saved video here and would be able to with a full screen. In this way you can watch TikTok full screen. So this was the process by which you can watch TikTok full screen. If you find this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a good day.